Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi K30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change device theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Themes. Over here you can pick one of the system ones by clicking on My Themes, choosing one of them and clicking Apply. As you can see, theme of my device has changed, but you can also go into the same settings, choose More this time, tap on the loop, and type whatever you want to, for example dark. Now pick the theme that you like the best, for example that one, choose Free, and click on Apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my device has changed again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!